Hey guys, we're at Shabandar and it's our first time coming here. It's like a park where we're gonna be walking. Im, say hi. Hello. Hi. Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Oh, and we are the Smith sisters. Welcome back to our channel.
It's super fun. We at the park to do walk. And it's super fun. I'm like really sore. I really want to rest my legs.
No, we only like walked up 11 steps. How can you be sorry? So Lily's friend is gonna be coming, but we can't show you him because and we're gonna be just walking up like trails. We're just gonna be walking up some trails, and like there's a park. And we have to like overdose with our mosquito spray because there's loads of mosquitoes in Britain. And yeah. Imazeeks.
Hi.
Hey mom.
I'm trying to figure out where's the playground. Where we meeting then?
Mama.
Look at these beautiful.
I want to wow. Mama.
Shabandar.
What is Shabandar?
Shabandar is a nice park and we can like go on walks and trails.
Okay. So what are we doing now? Now we're at where?
Now we're at a park and we're waiting for some people. Then we
Okay.
can go on a trail.
Right, so this is the kids' play area. One of the kids' play areas.
And there's also a big huge lake.
Do you want to just
And
go?
it's amazing.
And there's a maze there. Okay, Beth and Evan will go in the maze
Yay!
later on today.
Oh mom, look, there's a rock climbing wall.
Oh, cool.
Can we go?
Yeah, so for now we are just waiting for more people to come. And then,
Oh, mommy, look, the tree house.
oh wow.
Come on.
Super high to
Mommy, so we'll just combine this
Let's
video with the
climb
other.
up. I have to see this. It's super watery there.
Right, until it's your turn, I'll just show them the tree house. So this is the little fake tree house. Yeah, we put insect repellent. We forgot sunblock. Do you have some? Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks. we packed water, we packed towels and insect repellent, and we forgot the sunblock. Thank you. Okay. When they come down, I'll put some on them. There we go.
Okay, now let's go climb up. Why is it so wet here? When it rained, the water must have come out. Oh, look, there's a nice view. Mommy! There's the maze. So, me and my dad are going to do the maze. I'm really excited. Because I've never done a maze. I've always wanted to. So yeah. Ooh, there's some seating areas and also like a big forest, and there's plenty of trails. There's plenty of trails in the forest. So let's show you. Are we going down now? This is what we're practically doing today. And after this, we might go to. After this, we're going to McDonald's, and then I have a dancing thing. So yeah, we're gonna have a wonderful time. So, well, okay, we'll show you some more just now once everybody has come. Bye for now. Say bye for now. Hey guys, we're on the trail right now in Shabandar, like we were.
Hi guys, super fun.
Yeah, we've been walking for like a minute, like 5 minutes now. It's so nice. Lo, come down. Be careful, Lo. Look, it's. Say hi.
Say hi.
Okay, people just passed us. That's why I put the camera down to show you my feet. I hope you liked it. Okay, anyways, so right now.
I want to walk with my friends.
If you can't run low.
I'm walking.
Yeah.
Ooh, MC, you already slipped, Lo. Now be careful. As you can see, you just saw Emily slip, so it's very slippery here. I've actually never slipped on a trail, which is fun because we've been on like 5 trails. We've been on like 5 trails, which is nice because we really like hiking. Our family really likes hiking and walking.
Wait.
Mommy, come quickly!
Okay, you can go.
Whoa. Okay, I did not slip there. Ooh, it's like that's like a chair. I can just like relax. Whoa, look at this.
Be really careful because you can go flop, 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 flop down. Yeah.
Mom, saying we'll come back when we go to the maze. Okay, guys. We'll see you again. I know there's loads of stops, but like, because we're having so much fun. We'll see you when me and my dad go in the maze. So shh,
We kind of
it's
have
a
to concentrate
secret.
because it's very slippery.
Yeah.
So
We have to get back to you later when me and my dad go on the maze. So shh. My sisters can't know that we're going on the maze because they're not going, but they might actually too. So stay tuned. Bye for now. Hey guys, I'm in the maze right now. My dad's on the other side. I'm with Josh. Come on, Josh. No, that'll lead us. No. Go, Josh, come on. Nope, didn't. Oh, darn it, no. He's already beating us.
I'm lost.
We are lost too.
No, I'm lost.
Josh, come on.
No, where is the hand?
This way.
I'm already lost.
Nope, other way. Oh, where are we? Daddy, I see you.
Hey there, monkey.
I see you. I see you. Got you. No, is that the wrong way?
That's right,
Yeah, right. No, we're all lost. Wait, no, wrong way. Okay, wrong way. Found you. There's no such thing as a poisonous monkey, Josh. Okay, right now I'm with my dad, following him. I really thought this would be the way. Wait. Okay. I already went that way. Where are we? Okay, we have to start all over again. Daddy, I went that way. It's a dead end.
Okay, there has to be something that you must.
Oh wait, no, I didn't go this way. I went the other way. Okay. Right now, we're still at the, I forgot what it was, at the park trail thing. Yeah, I went this way. Whole thing. Meet you again. And I'm not sure if we're going the right way. Found it! I won! Woo! I won!
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
I won! Haha!
But
Then how does it feel to be beaten by your own daughter? Haha! I won. Now we have to go all the way back.
Wait. Here.
Bye, Daddy! I found the way already, Lo. I beat you guys! Guys, I hope you liked our video. Please subscribe, put a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload a video. But only if you want to. We're not forcing you at all. Only if you want to become our family. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.